Hello students, welcome to this class. In today's video, I will be talking to you about some of the uses of the period. We will have more videos on the use of the period, but today we are going to focus on punctuating commands, statements, and indirect questions. Alright, I have 3 examples here on the board for you. The first one is an indirect question. I am just going to put ind and a Q. Indirect question. Jonathan asked Tommy to marry him. Tommy or Tammy? Actually, it was Tammy, but well, now we have Tommy. Now we have a gay marriage. Okay? Jonathan asked Tommy to marry him. So we have an indirect question because we are not saying, will you marry me? Okay, that would be a direct question. But this is an indirect question. So we must use a period and not the question mark when you have an indirect question. The next one says place, which should be, guess what word this was supposed to be. Please stand up from your seats. Okay, that is a command. So, as you can see, we use a period to punctuate commands also. I'm just going to put com. Okay, and the next one says, she has been studying hard. So, this is a fact. So, this means this is a statement. Statement. So we use a period to punctuate indirect questions, commands, and statements. There are more uses for the period, like to punctuate abbreviations, upper and lowercase abbreviations. But remember, today we are focusing on commands, statements, and indirect questions. Next, I will give you some more examples and sentences so that you can practice with me. Now you are going to help me add a period where needed and if needed, okay? We have, she is here today. That is a fact. She is here today. So what is it? Is it a statement, a command, or an indirect question? It is a statement. It is a fact. So we need the period to punctuate statements. The next one says, they asked him to join them. This is an indirect question. So do we need a question mark? No, we use a period with indirect questions. And the last one says, we are going to have to ask you to leave. What is this? It is kind of a command, an indirect command or a polite command. We are going to have to ask you to leave. So, therefore, we will use a period. Okay, so this is very simple. When you use a period, when punctuating commands, statements, and indirect questions, it is really, really simple to identify these parts of the sentences and punctuate them. Next, I will leave you some homework. Remember that you need to improve your English. So the only way to do so is to practice as much as you can. For homework, you are going to write a command, statement, and an indirect question. You know how to punctuate them, simply add a period, and of course use a capital letter at the beginning of each. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it was of help. And in following videos, we will have more information about the use of the period. Thank you again for watching. I hope to see you again around here, and I will see you in the next video. Would you like to watch my next video? Click on the television to the right. We are going to talk about the use of the period when you punctuate or when punctuating polite requests.